there's so much debate about what the workforce will look like as, listen, at least from the people who I speak with, come Labor Day, everyone, in large part, is going, quote unquote, back to normal. Then I see a story like this and I think to myself, or are they?
I couldn't agree with you more. 2 weeks ago when I was on your show, we talked about the theme of chasing candidates. That was the recruiter index. You're seeing the increase in salaries. You're seeing the increase in shifting. We have a very strong advertising and media practice. Now, half of the jobs now that we're seeing on our site are actually outside New York in terms of remote. So pretty incredible that the remote jobs that we have on our site equal those of New York. So here, media, which used to be centered around New York, is now half of those jobs are actually now remote. 54% of the jobs in our financial services practice, which pay over $100,000, are now also remote. But what's interesting is that we're seeing financial clients actually think about, gee, I need to open up offices to where all these employees went. So we're seeing Florida now as a new location. So I'm remote, but I don't want to be remote. The other thing that we just saw recently the other day was a chief remote work officer. And if you go back to the 90s when every real big company had
where's the headquarters? He's in the living room.
Yeah. Isn't that amazing? A chief remote work officer, right? Amazing. In the 90s, all the big companies start to have a chief digital officer. We know digital is going to happen. We need someone at the helm of everything that's going on in digital. A chief remote work officer. Look, a company that's not embracing a remote workforce is going to lose their employees.
Evan, let me ask you this. The word that everybody uses is serendipity, right? You have these serendipitous interactions with your colleagues at work. You have these serendipitous moments when you go out for drinks after work at the neighborhood bar. Those are all the reasons that employers and employees are saying we got to come back to work. But a lot of remote workers say, you know what? That's really not real. You can't really measure that. I don't know even what that means. Serendipity is overrated. I want to do some laundry in between conference calls. So who wins this battle, this sort of hammerlock between, serendipity and the laundry machine?
Look, I think today the candidate wins. It's a candidate's market.
Yeah.
The talented candidates are in high demand, and if they're demanding hybrid or remote workforces, the companies have to adjust to those workforces. Now, I think what you're seeing in some of the financial institutions are, hey, I know you want to live in Florida for a variety of reasons. Let's go set up an office in Florida so you can come in. Forcing workers to come back full time might not work for everybody, but it's really going to be the candidate, certainly the highly skilled candidates, the high demand roles. Those are going to be the ones that drive this market.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.